Hello guys! Kumusta po kayong lahat dyan? So, it's been a while na hindi ako napopost about processing guys. Pasensya na po kayo, naging busy lang po. So, for today's video guys, isi-share ko naman sa inyo kung paano ko pinaprocess yung report of marriage ko. But before everything guys, please don't forget to subscribe my channel para updated kayo sa mga processing na i-upload ko. Disclaimer guys, this video it's based on my own experience and based on my own research, so I'm not a lawyer. Isi-share ko lang sa inyo kung paano ko ginawa yung report of marriage ko. At sa mga nagpa-plan dyan na mag-file ng report of marriage nila, sana itong video na to makatulong po sa inyo. First requirements is gagawa ka ng cover letter. Pasensya na guys na tatakpan ko yung mga information namin. Ilalagay mo lang sa taas yung complete name mo, yung address mo, tapos yung phone number, at tapos yung email address, at saka yung address ng embassy. At sa baba guys, huwag mong kalimutan mag-sign over printed name, both husband and wife. Ganito ko ginawa yung cover letter ko. So next, processing fee worth of $25 money order. So you can get that in Western Union or convenience store, supermarket, or US post office. And then next, it's the four original duly accomplished report of marriage guys. Kailangan may 4 na copies ka na ipanotarize mo. Hindi yung isang copies lang ipanotarize mo tapos ipotocopy mo. Hindi yun siya pwede. So dapat 4 na copies. Pag magpanotarize ka, dapat magdala ka ng 4 na copies na ipanotarize mo. So, yung sa akin, dinala namin sa bank namin, doon namin pinanotarize. So, it's free lang siya. Kung sa iba kayo magpanotarize, hindi ko alam kung magkano yung babayaran niyo. So, if kung may bank naman kayo, so mas mabuti na yung sa bank niya ipanotarize para libre lang siya, di ba? So, next, it's 1 certified marriage certificate and 4 photocopies. You can send your original marriage certificate. Pero yung sa akin, kumuha ako ng certified marriage certificate dahil natakot ako baka mawala. Pero ibabalik naman nila yung mga original. Next, it's 1 original birth certificate and 4 photocopies of me, and then 1 original birth certificate and 4 photocopies of my husband. And then next, it's 1 original passport and 4 photocopies, both husband and wife. So 1 original passport and 4 photocopies of me, and then 1 original passport and 4 photocopies of my husband. Next, it's just 4 photocopies of my permanent residence and 4 photocopies of visa, 1 original affidavit of delayed registration of marriage. So kung nag-file ka ng report of marriage mo na wala pang 1 year simula nung kinasal ka, hindi mo kailangan mag-send ng affidavit of delayed registration of marriage. But kung mag-file ka ng report of marriage mo after 1 year, kailangan mo mag-send ng affidavit of delayed registration of marriage. So, makukuha mo rin tong form na to sa link na ito. Next, it's a certified divorce decree of husband. So, okay. Kung yung husband niyo hindi kinasal before, ikaw yung first wife niya. So, hindi mo kailangan mag-send nito. Pero kung yung husband mo kinasal before, kailangan mong mag-send ng divorce decree. And also, 2 times kinasal yung husband mo, pang 3rd ka, so kailangan mong isend yung 2 divorce decree niya. Sa first ex-wife at saka second ex-wife, kailangan mong isend ang 2 divorce decree. So, ang ginawa ko, nag-send ako ng isang certified copy ng divorce decree at saka nag-photocopy ako ng 4 photocopies of divorce decree sa first ex-wife, and then also 1 certified copy of the second ex-wife, and 4 photocopies. Yun na lahat yung sinisend ko, guys. Ganito yung hitsura kung paano ko siya sinisend. Tapos, sinaseparate ko siya. Linagay ko sa isang clip yung all original. Tapos, ginawa ko ng 6 into 4 yung mga requirements in order. So, ganito lang yung ginawa ko, guys. Kung gusto nyong malaman kung paano ko pinifill out yung report of marriage ko, guys, so i-ano ko lang yung link sa description box, at saka kung paano ko pinifill out yung affidavit of delayed registration form. Sana, guys, makatulong itong video sa inyo. Please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you, guys. Bye.